Cue that loud snoring with these effective tips. Snoring is a common problem that affects many people. There are many causes of snoring. Many people are chronic snorers while others only snore occasionally. This video can help you understand the causes of snoring and what you can do to put a stop to snoring and restore peace in your home. To help stop snoring problems, try to avoid taking sleeping pills or other types of tranquilizing medication to help you rest. These sleep aids may help you feel more restful, but they also contribute to both snoring and sleep apnea. Some tranquilizers are even addictive and can cause health problems if overused. Your sleep position can greatly affect whether or not you will wind up snoring during sleep. Those who sleep on their backs tend to be more prone to snoring simply because that particular sleep position encourages relaxation of the throat, which can result in snoring. Try to sleep on your side, if possible, to help alleviate snoring. Stay well hydrated to prevent snoring. Should you be dehydrated, the secretions that come out of the nose are stickier and thicker, and that makes them a lot more likely to block airways, which leads to you snoring. If you drink at least 10 glasses of water, any beverage without caffeine will work, you will be less likely to snore. To reduce snoring, avoid drinking milk or eating dairy products before going to sleep. Warm milk was once thought to be a helpful remedy to drink before sleeping, however, if you snore, dairy increases mucus production. Overproduction of mucus often makes snoring much worse. By avoiding dairy before you go to sleep, you help keep your airway clear. As previously revealed, snoring affects all kinds of people. Some people are known to snore chronically while many others may only snore under certain conditions. Use the information and useful techniques from the above video to get relief from noisy, sleepless nights and put a stop to snoring for good. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.